Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by gathering ingredients for Jin Ramen. 1 pack Jin Ramen spicy, 500 ml water, and optional egg. Chop 1 green onion into 1-inch slices and prepare 50 grams of kimchi if desired. Have 100 grams of thinly sliced pork or tofu ready for protein. Measure 1 teaspoon sesame oil and get chili flakes as optional garnish. Use a medium pot with lid and set stove to high heat before you pour water. Keep seasoning packet handy, but add gradually to control salt and spice levels. Pour 500 ml of cold water into the medium pot and bring it to a rolling boil. Open the Jin Ramen pack and separate the noodle block from the seasoning and vegetable packets. When boiling, add the noodle block and stir gently to separate strands and prevent clumping. Cook noodles for 5 minutes for firm texture or up to 5 minutes for softer noodles. During the last 30 seconds, crack 1 egg into the pot if you want a silky yolk and white. Once noodles reach desired texture, turn off heat but keep pot covered for 30 seconds. Add the seasoning packet gradually and taste before adding the full amount to manage salt. Stir in 1 teaspoon sesame oil and 1 tablespoon soy sauce for richer savory flavor. Finish with chopped green onion, 50 grams kimchi, and toasted sesame seeds to taste. Serve in a wide bowl and enjoy Jin Ramen hot, costing roughly to per pack. Leftovers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.